Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to set default address on an Amazon account. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Amazon apps on your phone, and now you just have to tap your profile icon here. Then tap your account button. After that, you have to scroll it down until you find one-click settings here, and I'm gonna click it right now. My default address is already there, but I'm gonna make a new one. Tap add uppercase preference, and now just fill the column. Firstly, your full name. And now the address. Address line 2 is an optional, okay? You can skip it. And I'm gonna type on my city. Just fill in the information. And now your phone number here. And don't forget to change your country by tap on United States. And this will be a pop-up. And if you're done, tap on continue, the yellow button. And again, tap on continue. Just go back to check your address. And now, because I have two addresses here, to change the default address, just tap on my default under the address. And yeah, it's done. So guys, just it for me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.